All right, so I'm going to show a quick tool to use, very easy for you and your students to do like a live whiteboard session. So I know some of you are doing like Google Hangouts and stuff to kind of show things to students. This is called whiteboard.fi, and it's very quick and easy to set up. So you don't even have to create an account or anything. You can just simply click a new class when you go to whiteboard.fi, and then you can name your class. I'm just going to name it testing. You click create, and here is where you can copy this, put it in your Google Classroom for them to click on and join. That's one way to do it. Or what they can do, I'm going to come here to show you. I'm going to go in as a student. So I'm going to click join class, and all I have to do to join the class is type in this really short code, A55. So I type that in, click join class, and it brings me to this screen, and I can just name myself, join class, and then me as the student, this is my whiteboard, so anything I do comes here. So I'm just going to show you that it shows up here, and I can also come here, and I can draw whatever I want to. So let's just say I'm wanting to explain a math problem. Maybe it's how to do the center and the radius. So I can draw freehand. I can also click the text box, click where I want to type, and I can actually type things in. So if I was doing the circle, I could do that. I can go back to writing. So there's my center, and I can put out to the side that R equals 5. Okay. And then I'll show you what the student is seeing. So you see that they don't see anything, but over here on my teacher's whiteboard, they're seeing what I'm writing. And just to show you how quickly it works, x minus 4 squared and so on and so forth. I come here and it's showing up on the student side. Okay, so it's pretty quick. Also, students can solve their own problem. So you could use this like in a traditional classroom setting where you ask a question on your whiteboard, they come here, the student draws on their whiteboard. Let's say they're solving the problem, blah, blah, blah. They write what they're doing. They're showing what they're doing. You as the teacher can click on my class and you can see what each student is doing. And when you click on their whiteboard, you could actually erase what they're doing, and you can actually kick them if they're not being appropriate. Okay, so depending on what's going on, there would be some things you could do there, but you can't really write on their board. I think that's a missing piece. To me, you should be able to come in as the teacher and start helping them out, like if they're struggling, to show that. But what you could do is have this kind of alongside your Google Meet, or have it alongside your Zoom meeting, so that you can direct it towards a certain student and say, so and so, look at my screen right now. I'm going to show you where you went wrong. Things like that. Okay, so again, very easy to use. It's called whiteboard.fi. Easy for students to join, easy for teachers to join in, and it's just real easy. And I'll just show you what it looks like when you do erase. I click erase. It erases that screen. I come here. Your whiteboard was erased by your teacher. It's letting them know what happened. They can come back and again view anything that you are doing. Pretty simple tool to use. Hope you found this useful.